Krea AI versus Magnific AI. Best Image Enhancing AI Tool in 2025. First, let us tackle about their strengths. Magnific AI excels in taking lower resolution images and adding incredible detail and sharpness, often hallucinating new, realistic textures and elements. It is often favored by professionals in fields like photography, graphic designing, and 3D rendering due to its ability to create highly detailed and polished images. It offers detailed control through sliders like creativity, HDR, and resemblance to fine-tune the enhancement process. It can also reimagine details based on prompts, allowing for creative transformations. But how about Krea AI? A significantly strength of Krea AI is its real-time capabilities. You can doodle, type prompts, and see the image evolve and enhance almost instantly. It offers a wider range of AI tools beyond just upscaling, including AI text-to-image, text-to-video, AI animator, and an AI chatbot assistant for prompt refinement. Its intuitive interface makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. It tends to produce smoother and softer enhancements, which some users prefer for maintaining a more natural or realistic look. But please be reminded that the best tool depends on your specific needs. Choose Magnific AI if you are a professional who need the absolute highest level of detail, sharpness, and control for upscaling and enhancing existing images. You prioritize intricate detail, hallucination, and are willing to pay for a premium tool. Meanwhile, choose Krea AI if you are looking for a versatile AI creative suite that includes real-time image generation, text-to-video, and image enhancement. And of course, if you appreciate a more natural and softer enhancement style.